Hello students, now we will continue with our exercise 2.4. Now we will start with question number 5. Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Now let Shobhu's present age is equal to x years. Then mother is what? It is given 6 times. See, 6 times. Therefore, mother's present age is equal to 6x years. Now, after 5 years, Shobhu's age, it is after 5 years. So, x plus 5 years and mother's age is equal to, it was 6x. So, 6x plus 5 years. These two ages are after 5 years and this is present ages. Now, according to the question, we have 1/3. See, it is given. 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 mother's present age is equal to Shobhu's age after 5 years. Now, 1/3 that is 1/3. And mother's present age is what? 6x. So 1/3 multiply 6x is equal to Shobhu's age after 5 years. After 5 years it was x plus 5. Therefore 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it will be 2x is equal to x plus 5. Therefore 2x, now by transposing x to LHS I am changing the place. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, 2x minus x is equal to x and 5 since, therefore value of x is 5. Therefore, Shobhu's present age is x years. And what is value of x? 5 years. Mother's present age 6x years. So, 6 into 5. 5 is value of x. So, 6 5s are 30. So, 30 years. Shobhu's age is 5 years and mother's age is 30 years. Question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mohali village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio of 11:4. At the rate of ₹100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat ₹75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So they are asking what is length and breadth of the plot. Now ratio is given. See, 11:4. Therefore let the length is equal to 11x meters and breadth is equal to 4x meters. Now you know, when you want to fence the plot, fencing is what? Outside boundary. And how will you find the measurement of outside boundary? That is, it is perimeter. All the 4 sides of the rectangle. And therefore perimeter, this is the formula, is equal to 2 bracket L plus B is equal to 2 bracket, what is L? 11x plus what is B? 4x. Therefore 11x plus 4x is 15x and 2 15s are 30x is the perimeter. Now cost of the fencing per meter, it is given in the question ₹100. Therefore cost of fencing of 30x meter square is equal to ₹100 into 30x is equal to ₹3000x. Now but the total cost of the fencing in the question, it is given ₹75,000. But the cost of fencing is ₹75,000. Therefore 30x is equal to 75. 3000x is equal to 75,000. Therefore, x is equal to 75,000 upon 3000. 3 zeros gone, 3 ones are, 3 25s are 75. Therefore, value of x is 25. Therefore, length is equal to what? 11x. So, 11 into 25. 25 is the value of x. So, 11 into 25 is 275 meters. And breadth is 4x. So 4 into 25 is equal to 425 is 100. So 24 into 25 is 100 meters. Question number 7. Person buys 2 kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him ₹50 that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Now let the length of the cloth for trouser is equal to 2x meter. Why 2x meter? See, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. Then length of cloth for shirt is equal to 3x meters because every 3 meter of the shirt material. Now cost of trousers cloth is equal to 2x into rupees 90 is equal to rupees 180x. It is given, see, rupees 90 per meter. And cost of shirts cloth is equal to 3x into rupees 50. 3 5s are 350s are is equal to rupees 150x. Now SP of trousers cloth at 10% profit is equal to rupees 110 upon 100 into 180x. This 110 is 100 plus 10 because it is 10% profit. So 110 upon 100 into 180. 0 0 gone, again this 0 gone, 11 into 18 is rupees 198x. This is SP of trouser. SP is what? Sale price. And SP of shirts cloth at 12% profit is equal to rupees 112. 100 plus 12. 112 upon 100 multiply 150x. 0 0 gone, 2 5 2s are and 5 3s are 50. Then 2 1s are 2 56 are 112. So 56 into 3 is equal to rupees 168x. Now but total SP. Now total SP is what? Rupees 198x plus rupees 168x. We are adding these two. That is the total SP is equal to rupees 366x. But total SP in the question it is given. See, rupees 36,600. But total SP is rupees 36,600. Therefore, 366x is equal to 36,600. Therefore, x is equal to 36,600 upon 366. We can cancel this 366 ones are and these both 0. So, x is equal to 100. Now, length of the trouser is equal to 2x meter. Is equal to 2 into 100 because value of x is 100. So 2 into 100 is 200 meter. Thus he bought the cloth for trouser is 200 meter. Question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So let the total number of deer be x. Then number of deer grazing in the field, it is given half of them. Half of them are grazing. So x upon 2. This is clear. Then now remaining number of deer, that is what is total x, minus x upon 2, that is grazing. So this is remaining number of deer. Now playing nearby, it is given 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. So playing nearby is equal to 3 upon 4 into remaining number of deer is equal to 3 upon 4 into what is remaining? X minus x upon 2. It is 3 upon 4 into x upon 2. X minus x upon 2. After finding the LCM, LCM will be 2. After finding the LCM, it will be x upon 2. So 3 into x is 3x, 4 2s are 8. So it will be 3x upon 8. Now drinking water, number of deers drinking water is 9 deer. Therefore x, total number of deer is equal to x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9. X upon 2 is what? Grazing. So number of deer grazing, number of deer playing and number of deer drinking water. Now by transposing x upon 2 and 3x upon 8 to LHS, therefore x minus x upon 2 minus 3x upon 8 is equal to 9. Now denominators 2 and 8, here we are supposing it 1, so LCM will be 8. After taking out the LCM, it will be 8x minus 4x minus 3x upon 8 is equal to 9. Therefore it will be x upon 8 is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to, this 8 will move to the opposite side and become multiply. Therefore x is equal to 8 into 9. Therefore x is equal to 72. Thus total number of deer in the herd are 72. Now next question number 9. Grandfather is 10 times older than the granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Let the present age of granddaughter is equal to x years and grandfather's age is equal to 10 into x is equal to 10x years, because it is given grandfather is 10 times older, so it is 10x years. Now according to the question we have 10x is equal to x plus 54, it is given. Therefore 10x minus x by transposing x to LHS is equal to 54. 10x minus x will be 9x. Therefore 9x is equal to 54. Therefore x is equal to 54 upon 9. 9 ones are 9 6 are 54. Therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore present age of granddaughter is equal to x year is equal to 6 years. And present age of grandfather is equal to 10x. So 10 into 6, because 6 is the value of x. So 10 into 6 is 60 years. So grandfather's age is 60 years. Question number 10, that is last question of exercise 2.4. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Now let present age of son is equal to x years. Therefore present age of Aman is equal to 3x years. Why 3x? Because it is given Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 3 times. I have told you previously, whenever times is there, you are supposed to multiply. So it is 3x years. Now 10 years ago, it is given 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, what will be their ages? Son's age is equal to x minus 10 years. X is his present age and before 10 years. So x minus 10. And Aman's age is equal to 3x minus 10 years. 3x is his present age and before 10 years. So 3x minus 10 years. Now according to the question we have son's age 10 years ago multiply 5 is equal to Aman's age 10 years ago. See, it is given. He was 5 times his son. 10 years ago, he was 5 times. 10 years before, he was 5 times his son's age. That means Aman was 5 times his son's age. Therefore, x minus 10 into 5 is equal to 3x minus 10. Now, open the bracket, multiply 5 with first x and then 5 with 10. So 5x minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. Now by transposing 3x to LHS and transposing 50 to RHS. So 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 10 plus 50. By transposing 50 to RHS and 3x to LHS. 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x. And minus 10 plus 50, minus plus minus, sign of the bigger number. So answer will be 40. Therefore 2x is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 upon 2. This 2 I have brought down. 2 ones are 2 20s are 40. So value of x is 20. Therefore son's present age is equal to x years. And what is value of x? 20. So son's present age is 20 years. And Aman's present age is equal to 3x years. So 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. So by this question we have completed our exercise 2.4. So do all the sums properly in your CW and write the exercise properly.